The tragedy of mankind is that we have not, in all those years of history, we have not raised a single generation right.
I must confess, I never considered what would come after creation.
And the creature in itself is really the center of it. And if the audience can have empathy for this creature, then the movie is spot on.
Some people have crushes on Farrah Fawcett. I had a crush on Mary Shelley and the Brontes. I was like, if I had a time machine, I would party like it's 1999.
Not something. Someone.
If you play it in a scary way, because you see this giant, because Jacob Elord, he's a giant.
Yeah.